Have you ever wondered if you could print your imagination on paper without working for it? Well, here it is. I'm glad that DALL-E and Stable Diffusion exist. So I was checking on ways on how to print on paper with Python, and here I found the OS module itself can print files. Currently checking my default printer options. Here I'm using my Epson printer. Here is a demo of Python printing on paper. I am printing a Word document which just says print hello world. Now for this project I'll be using Stable Diffusion and its API with replicate.com. The API is very simple to use and it contains its own Python package, which makes it really easy to integrate it into the project. Here I got the link of the image after using the API and it downloads it into the current directory. The printer for some reason wasn't getting the print command from the JPG or the PNG file, and it worked fine with Word documents. So I literally used the docs module to make a Word document and insert the image from the code itself.
Enter prompt.
A person riding a unicorn in Mars, dramatic lighting, HD.